After this, we can also change the color of this buckle. For that, we need to be on the layer of this Gaussian blur and noise layer we have chosen over here. So we have to select that layer, plus we need to go to the second option and then choose the gradient map from here, and then this tab actually popped up, so we can change color from here to any other color, and then we have many other options over here. We're changing this way and it's happening like that. And many options to click on the same thing. Let me give you the more closer view over here. So we are clicking this and then we are changing anywhere. We are changing to the breeze and then clicking on the same thing, and then we are getting this option, and then we can change it according to our requirement or our design. So now you can see it. So this is all about the noise, and this is all about the adjustments 3 tools, that is gradient map, noise, liquify, and Gaussian blur, we can say that. So layers, we have almost used 6 layers. There is not much that. We can also use the same thing on the garment. And yesterday we have done something and we can choose that to see.